Guess where we're going today?
The Galapagos?
No, we're going to Hawaii. Yeah, you can tell because of all the flower lei you have around your necks. And Ailea's got some pretty flowers in her hair. And we've got some Hawaiian foods in front of us for today. Yeah, so let's say aloha to all of our friends in Hawaii and to all of our friends around the world and give Hawaiian food a try. What do you want to start with, guys?
The fruit punch.
The fruit punch, yeah. Hawaii is famous for pineapple and other fruits like guava. And here we've got Hawaiian fruit punch. Yummy. All right, you guys try that first. Tell me what you think.
It tastes a little like pineapple.
Yeah.
And sort of sour like lemon.
Yeah, there's all kinds of fruits in Hawaiian punch, but you do taste pineapple because they grow pineapple in Hawaii. And yeah, so that's one thing. What is that? Okay, well that's your dessert, but you can start with that if you want to. That is a special little cake. It's crunchy on one part and it's soft and kind of squishy in the middle, and it's called butter mochi. And this is our butter mochi, which is made with sticky rice flour, coconut, evaporated milk, butter, and I use brown sugar, so mine's a little darker than they normally are. What do you guys think?
Tastes good.
Yeah?
Soft and squishy.
Yeah.
And it feels like a pillow.
Yeah, can you taste that buttery crunch of the butter mochi? Yeah, so Jamie, you liked it?
Yeah.
All right, okay. And Ailea, what were your thoughts?
It tastes like a squishy, sweet pillow.
Yeah, it tastes like a squishy, sweet pillow. That's pretty accurate, actually, yeah. Okay, and so now we have two more things from Hawaii. One is we have an appetizer, which is macadamia nuts, but I put a herbal coating on the top. And then we also have chicken sliders, Hawaiian sliders, using a Hawaiian sauce. Which one do you want to try, guys?
The nuts.
You want to try the nuts first? Jamie, you want to take a taste of the nuts? These are macadamia nuts, a popular nut from Hawaii, and they're covered in a little spicy zest. Do you like them? Yeah. The nut has kind of a buttery taste to it, but it has a nice kick because I added some spices on the outer part, right? Herbs and spices outside. Yeah, is that good? And you can get them from a company called Mauna Loa. You can even get chocolate covered macadamia nuts from Hawaii and all kinds of macadamia nut treats from Hawaii. Yummy.
Did you say chocolate covered nuts?
Yeah, they do have that.
I want that so bad.
Yeah, we'll have to find those next time, right?
I love chocolate.
The next time we go to Hawaii in our kitchen, we'll have chocolate covered macadamias. But we still have the main meal. Jamie, bring your dish over. It's a little bit too far away. Bring that over. You know, you see your bowl with a little slider. And that has Hawaiian bread on the outside. It's a Hawaiian sweet roll, and the inside is a Hawaiian slider. Just take a little bite. Here is our Hawaiian chicken slider, ready to go, with a nice sauce.
I'm not sure about this one.
Well, okay, just have a little bite. Jamie, what do you think? You like it? Awesome.
I'd say a solid 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? You don't like it so much.
I like all of them a 10 out of 10.
Oh, that's wonderful, Jamie. I'm so excited. All right.
Personally, I like the squishy soft.
You like the pillowy butter mochi?
Well, I like the Hawaiian Punch most.
Okay, so let me see. So let's get this straight. Is your favorite the Hawaiian Punch, Jamie? And Ailea, what's your favorite? The mochi?
This is my second favorite.
Oh, and that's your second favorite. Okay. Maybe someday, if we're lucky, we could go to Hawaii and go to a real luau, which is when they're all outside at night and they have lights out, and you can eat under the stars.
And they do the hula.
They do the hula dance. It's a very special dance with a grass skirt called a hula. It's really special. So let's give a big mahalo to everyone out there, including our Hawaiian friends. We want to thank them for making such delicious food for us to try, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's say bye-bye.
Mahula.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Yeah, bye-bye. All right.